हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल अरिंदम रॉय चौधरी के लिमिट्स, कॉन्टिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी पार्ट 8 में। और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी। In this video, we are going to see some questions of continuity and later we'll head towards the types of discontinuity. So let us take a look at some questions. The first question of this video says, find out the value of a and b such that the value of function x becomes continuous. Fx is equals to x square plus 6a when the value of x ranges between 2 to 3. It is equal to 2x plus 5 when the value of x ranges from 3 to 5, and equal to 2bx minus 7 when the value of x ranges from 5 to 7. Okay, so from this we can make out that the function changes when x equal to 3 and x equal to 5. So in order to be the function to be continuous, we need to prove that the left hand limit at 3 is equal to right hand limit at 3, and the left hand limit at 5 is equal to right hand limit at 5. Okay, so the left hand limit at 3 is equal to limit x tending to 3x square plus 6 is equals to limit of x tending to 3 2x plus 5. This is the RHL. So by solving we get 9 plus 6a is equals to 11. So the value of a comes out to be 1 by 3. The left hand limit at 5 is equals to limit x tending to 5 2x plus 5 is equals to limit x tending to 5 2bx minus 7. This is the right hand limit. So after solving we get 15 is equals to 10b minus 7. So the value of b comes out to be 22 by 5. Now let's take a look at other question. Find out the points of discontinuity of y is equals to 1 upon u square plus u minus 2 where u equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Here we are given y in terms of u, and we also know that u is a function of x where u equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, so the function u is equals to fx is equals to 1 minus x minus 1 is itself discontinuous at x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. Now looking for more points of discontinuity, we can write y equal to 1 upon u square plus u minus 2 as y is equals to 1 upon u plus 2 into u minus 1. So y is also discontinuous at u equal to minus 2 and u equal to 1. Okay, so when u equal to minus 2 is equals to 1 upon x minus 1, the value of x comes out to be half. And when u equal to 1 equal to 1 upon x minus 1, the value of x comes out to be 2. So we have got 3 points of discontinuity, and they are x equal to 1, x equal to half, and x equal to 2. Now we are going to look at the types of discontinuity. There are two types of discontinuity. The first one is the first type of discontinuity, and the second one is the second type of discontinuity. Amongst first type, we have two subdivisions. The first type of discontinuity is removable first type. Supposing that fx is equals to x sine 1 by x when x is not equal to 0, and it is equals to 0.2 when x equal to 0. We know that the left hand limit and the right hand limit for x equal to 0 for x sine 1 by x is equals to 0, but the value of function at x equal to 0 is said to be 0.2. So if we put for x equal to 0 the value as 0, then it becomes continuous. So this is known as the removable first type. Now looking at the second type of first type discontinuity, non-removable first type. Here the value of the function suddenly changes at this point of x. So the left hand limit is clearly not equal to the right hand limit at a certain value of x. So here this is known as non-removable first type, where LHL is not equal to RHL but they both exist. In this case, AB is known as the height of discontinuity. Okay, now let's focus on the second type of discontinuity. The first subdivision is non-removable second type. Let's assume a function fx is equals to 1 upon x. Here we get a rectangular hyperbola. Clearly the right hand limit is not equal to LHL, where RHL is equals to plus infinity and LHL equal to minus infinity. Both LHL and RHL may not exist. Okay, so here the height is tending to infinity. Now let's look at the oscillatory second type discontinuity. We have taken a function y is equals to sine 1 by x to demonstrate it. The value of sine 1 by x when x approaches 0 from either side fluctuates very fastly as we approach 0. Okay, so therefore this is an oscillatory second type discontinuity. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो कीजिए लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब. LCD Part 9 will be out very soon. Till then, stay tuned.